Today our topic is History Beats Part 1. These beats are useful to UPSC, SSC, RRB, PSUs. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Which of the following is not an essential organ of state as per the Saptang theory of state by Chanakya? The given options are A. Swami, B. Kosha, C. Mitra, D. Nyaya. The correct option is D. Nyaya. Nyaya is not among the essential organs of state as per the Saptang theory of state by Chanakya. The Saptang theory of Chanakya recognizes 7 essential organs of a state which are as follow: Swami, the ruler; Amatya, the minister; Janapada, the population; Durga, the fortified capital; Kosha, the treasury; Danda, the army; Mitra, ally and friend. Who is the author of the autobiography The Indian Struggle? The given options are A. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct option is D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The Indian Struggle 1920-1942 is a two-part book by the Indian nationalist leader Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose that covers the 1920-1942 history of the Indian independence movement to end British imperial rule over India. Who was the founder of the Pala dynasty? The given options are A. Mahipala, B. Gopala, C. Dharmapala, D. Rampala. The given option is B is correct. Gopala. Gopala was the founder of the Pala dynasty. Dharmapala was the most powerful of the Pala dynasty. The Pala rule was monarchical. The highest military officer in the Pala empire was the Mahasenapati. India signed the Panchashil Treaty with which country? The given options are A. Nepal, B. China, C. Pakistan, D. Bangladesh. The given option B is correct, with China. India signed the Panchashil Treaty with China. It was signed on 29th April 1954. It is an agreement on trade and intercourse between Tibet region of China and India. What was the real name of Shah Jahan? A. Nurjahan, B. Tughlaq-e-Jahangiri, C. Khurram, D. None of the above. The given option C is correct. Khurram. Khurram was the real name of Shah Jahan. He was the 5th Mughal emperor. His full name was Mirza Shahab-ud-Din Bayag Muhammad Khan Khurram. Born as Prince Shahiduddin Muhammad Khurram in the Lahore, Pakistan of 1592, Shah Jahan was the son of Emperor Jahangir. His name Khurram, which means joyful in Persian, was given to him by his grandfather Akbar the Great Mughal period. Which of the following stupa constructed during the Gupta period? The given options are Sanchi Stupa, B. Damak Stupa, C. Gandhar Stupa. The correct option is B. Damak Stupa. Damak Stupa constructed during the Gupta period. It is located at Sarnath near Varanasi. It is a solid cylinder of bricks and stone reaching a height of 43.6 meters and having a diameter of 28 meters. Damak Stupa of Sarnath was an architectural example of which period? The given options are A. Mauryan period, B. Kanishka period, C. Gupta period, D. Huna period. The given option is C. Gupta period. The Damak period of Sarnath is an architectural structure of Gupta period. The Damak Stupa is said to mark the spot where the Buddha gave the first sermon to his first 5 Brahmin disciples after attaining enlightenment. Who among the following was the last ruler of Nanda dynasty? The given options are A. Kaivarta, B. Govishanaka, C. Panduka, D. Dhanananda. The given option D. Dhanananda is correct answer. According to the Buddhist text Mahabodhi Vamsa, Dhanananda died 321 BCE, was the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty. Mahapadmananda 345 BC to 329 BC was the founder of the Nanda dynasty. The Nandas overthrew the Shishunaga dynasty in the Magadha region and expanded their empire to include a larger part of northern India. The Mansabdari system introduced by Akbar was borrowed from the system followed in. The given options are A. Afghanistan, B. Turkey, C. Mongolia, D. Persia. Given option C is correct, Mongolia. The Mansabdari system introduced by Akbar was borrowed from the system followed in Mongolia. The Mansabdar was a military unit within the administrative system of the Mughal Empire. The word Mansab is of Arabic origin meaning rank or position. The system determined the rank and status of the government official and military generals. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate assumed the title of Jil-e-Ilahi? The given options are Alauddin Khilji, B. Balban, C. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, D. Mubarak Shah. Option B is correct one, B. Balban. Balban assumed the title of Jil-e-Ilahi. His original name was the Bahauddin. He belongs to Chalisa 40 member group of Turkic slaves of Iltutmish. He also introduced the Persian festival Nowroz. He himself called the Niyabat-i-Qudai. Balban was ruled as the Sultan from 1265 until his death in 1287. Ajatashatru, a ruler of the Haryanka dynasty, was the son of. Given options are Bimbisara, B. Anuruddha, C. Nagadasak, D. Udayin. The given option A is correct one, the Bimbisara. Ajatashatru was a king of the Haryanka dynasty of Magadha. He was the son of King Bimbisara and was a contemporary of both Mahavira and Gautama Buddha. The Haryanka dynasty was succeeded by the Shishunaga dynasty. Which foreign trader traveled the Pala kingdom during the reign of Devapala? The given options are A. Abdul Razak, B. Suleiman, C. Firdausi, D. Shamska. The given option B is correct one, Suleiman. Suleiman was a foreign trader who traveled the Pala kingdom during the reign of Devapala. He detailed in his writings about the battles of Tripartite struggle. Tibetan literature of 17th century also gives details about Pala kingdom. Who was the Lieutenant Governor of the Punjab at the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? The given options are A. Ronald Edward Harry Dyer, B. Michael O'Dyer, C. Evan Martin Jenkins, D. None of these. One option B is correct one, Michael O'Dyer. At the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Michael O'Dyer was the Lieutenant Governor of Punjab. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on 13th April 1919 when the troops of the British Indian Army under the command of Colonel Reginald Dyer fired rifles into a crowd of people who had gathered in Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, Punjab. Koladunadu, Vallavanad and Tekkamkur were ancient small-time kingdoms in which state of India? The given options are A. Bihar, B. Kerala, C. Gujarat, D. Karnataka. The given option B is correct one, Kerala. Koladunadu, Vallavanad and Tekkamkur were ancient small-time kingdoms in South India in the Bharatapuzha River basin in present-day central Kerala. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Like and comment about my video. Thank you.